Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to get this pink bag unpacked. I received this morning. Well, actually, my husband did. I was still in bed. I was sleeping in. And the mailman was in front of our house, and he gave my husband this package, and then my husband brought it to me. I was awake, but I was still in bed, and he said, well, there's a package for you, and he thought I ordered something. I said, no, I did not order something. I was absolutely 100% certain I did not. And he was just joking about it. Oh, did you order something? No, yeah, sure, right. Well, no, I did not. It was a gift, and it was a gift from the two sister jam ladies, Stacy Merritt and her sister Dana Merritt, and they sent these goodies to me. And I did cover my address, of course. And I did open this piece, but I couldn't see everything. Because I wanted to do on camera, and I've been working on the kits today. We'll finalize the promo pages and everything, and get the listings ready. I still have to do the flip through video, the show and tell videos. I did do the drawing for the group ambassador. I will edit it after I made this video, but yeah, I'm going to unpack this. And these goodies came from Two Sister Jam. That is a shop on Etsy. I will link everything down below, and they have a special coupon code, and that is a code you put in before checkout. You have to put it in, otherwise it doesn't work, and that is LDA20. So you will receive, I think, 20% off, if I'm correct. Yeah. And yeah, then you can buy the things that I have too, or similar items, or even better items, because they have so much. I did an order a while ago, but they sent me extra things, but I used some of them in the grungy challenges. But yeah, let's see what's inside here. No, there's nothing anymore. Oh, look, it's a real package with everything. This is like their business thank you card. I really like that card, and they really put a lot of thought into the card. But I also see there's a handwritten message on it, so I have to see. Okay, well, they are writing, we sure hope you love everything Two Sisters sent. We love and appreciate you. We didn't wrap it to reduce shipping. Yeah, I know. Shipping is terrible. It's so expensive. And this time I didn't have to pay any custom service, so yay! But if I had to, I wouldn't mind doing, because it's such a treasure receiving this, and the thought that you sent me this is just so nice. Sorry for the noise. Okay, first I'm going to start with the file for the folders. Oh, these are with the tab thingies. We don't have that. We have tab thingies, but they are at the same spot. I don't know why. But this is great. Oh, look. Look. Ledger. Oh my goodness. Oh, ledger. Okay, yeah. I'm drooling over the first page already. This really makes me happy, and I have to cry a little. Because it's a lot they sent me, and I really appreciate it. And it's a really nice present. But look, the ads with the ladies and the hats. Oh, it's so cute. From when is this? Oh, we don't have that. Oh, look. This is like a sunbath. Oh, this is so funny. Dental thing. Oh, I like this. Where do you get these stuff? Oh, I want those things too. It's very difficult to get these in the Netherlands. Oh, I really love this. Oh, it's very grungy. The best of Texas. Okay, Stacy lives in Texas. Oh, look, old recipe books in English. Children's book. Oh, it's a lot. Oh, this is a cute image. I like this. And these are cute too. Oh, oh, yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next file folder. The blue one. What's in here? I think this is like a the rules for a game. Very nice. Little book pages. I think this is from the Bible. This is from the Bible, I think. I think this is in German. Yeah, this is a German dictionary. Look. Oh, this is so cute. And I am working on a kit with a vintage ads. It's not done yet. And will probably get lost on my computer, and then I will find it in 2025, I think. Another dictionary. More book pages. This is like minerals and chemical things, I think. Yeah, this is yeah, chemical stuff. But gases. I think these are from school books. I really like these. This look at the color. I'm not sure if you see, but this is more white. This is really yellow. I really like this. Chuli. Padre. Another dictionary. Oh, with the images. Yeah, I like these. And we don't have that. I think we do have something similar to that. Oh, this is cute too. Look. It's about a husband. What is this? Oh, this is like a, I don't know how to say that. We say stamboom. People with children. All the kids. Gee, even an address on it. And from when is this? 1751. I'm not sure if it's made during that day. Wow, this is cute paper. So this was the blue file folder. Yay! Okay, now we have a yellow one. And there, oh, it breaks. No, don't break. Not sure if it's supposed to be in there. I'm going to keep it separate, otherwise the stem will break again. But it's a cute little red oh, this is also, look, this is really cool. Oh, this is for a steampunk journal. Also working on a steampunk kit. Displays, games. I think we call this steno, shorthand. secretary uses that to make notes during a meeting. So, oh, there are also the vanilla. No, not the vanilla, manila. Sorry. This is cute. Well, you know how they look, but I don't. I never seen one in real life, and I want to see it. I want to feel it, so I'm going to unwrap it. But yeah, your files are smaller. Look, it doesn't even fit in. But it doesn't matter for me because I really like the file folders. Oh, this is going to be fun. And I have a lot to play with. Yay! So thank you. Okay, I also have a package with laces and fabrics. But all the things that I just showed you are available in the Two Sister Jam Etsy store. Like I said, I link it down below. And I will also ask Tracy or Dana to more papers to advertise in the Facebook group too. I'm going for the papers first. This is a little booklet. Okay, well, it's still, I'm sorry, it's so brittle, but it doesn't matter for me because I really like this. But that's what you have with the older books. If you fold them, it's going to crack because it's not, yeah, but I do like it. I'm so sorry I broke it. This is from 1952, I think. Index card. Oh, now I can join the challenge because I don't have these. Oh, I see something coming. Yeah, I'm going to work with these. Look, little images with the old. That's great. And she also said there was a letter. And I think that's from their family, if I'm correct. Maybe this is the letter. It's to Peggy and Joe. Ah, a love letter. How romantic. And 3. I'm going to check because she told me on Messenger. I have to check. There is an old World War II love letters. Oh, there are all. Oh, from Dana's husband's family. Ah, gee, that's really old. Mr. Joan, Miss Joan. Oh, more index cards. Oh, I love the color. Thank you. And a bingo card. Thank you. And an old envelope and some stamps. I'm not going to get them out, but these are cute. China, I see China, France. Okay, so more goodies. Well, thank you. It's a lot. Laces. Look, isn't this pretty? Yeah, it is. It's absolutely stunning. The pink one, also very pretty. Oh, I love this one. This has, it's two-toned. It has shears of pink in it. Oh, I love it. And I think, oh, this is so funny. Yeah, the bee, the ruffle. I think, well, I'm pretty sure Stacy made these. Aren't these, oh, this is really fun. Aren't these great? She handmade these. So you can sell these in the store too. You can buy these. Sorry, you can't sell them. They are selling it. But you can purchase it. Look. This is really pretty. And this, ooh, this is a cute one too. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Loving it. Oh. Oh. And a little baggie. And the laces with the hearts. And more hearts. And this look like crocheted. This is so beautiful. And look at the oh, these are very blingy. Oh, I like this one. I like them all, to be honest. I like everything what shines, because I'm like, how do you say that? We call it a cry. The blackbird that likes shiny things. This is also a pretty one. Yeah. So, well, I think you might have a vision about this month kit. Well, not this month, next month, because now we are doing Grunge Your Art. Because next month we are going to do Shabby Your Art. And this is a lot of shabby things. So I can use it in the journal or the projects that I'm going to make. I'm not sure if I'm going to make a journal. I do think it's time to make a journal again. But yeah, look what I got. File folders and even more file folders. But the goodies inside, it's just so much. Yeah, thank you very much, ladies, for sending me these. I'm going to put this because I like this color a lot. I really appreciate it, and I really love everything you sent me. I'm going to try my best to use everything next month, but I don't think I will be able to. But yeah, I will use them, and when I do, I will share. Sorry, my phone is dropping. But yeah, thank you very much, Dana. Thank you very much, Stacy. Make sure you check out the Facebook group. No, not the Facebook group. Well, you can check out Two Sister Jam too, the Facebook group. But I meant the Two Sister Etsy store. They have many different things. I'm looking for the things that I used on my previous project, the little Kodak frames. But there's more. There's so much more. Two Sister Jam. Go check out the store. And thank you, ladies. Thank you very much for everything you were sending me. You sent me. Yeah, this is it for today. I hope you liked the video. Maybe you want to leave a like or a comment. And if you're not a subby yet, I usually do different things, but today I received this package and I did want to do a video of it because, yeah, it is a lot. And you should check out the shop because they have so much goodies, especially when you live in the States. It is easier for them to ship to you because I'm in the Netherlands, and that's a whole nother story. But for those of you who are living in the US, please check out. They have a lot. Okay, thank you very much. Stay safe, stay creative. I hope to see you the next time. And greetings from the Netherlands. Bye.